Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can keep messages history for 30 days, 1 year, or forever on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, and then in here, tap on Messages. Next, we scroll down. So scroll down and then go to the message history and tap on Keep Messages. Now in here, you could choose to keep the messages history for 30 days, 1 year, or forever. So select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.